Hello, everybody. Today I want to introduce you to one of my favorite students from all times. This little one was with me when he was 5 year old for quite some times, but then they had to move out of Florida to another state. I always kept in touch with his mom because I loved him, and look what he's doing now. He's composing, guys. This piece is made by himself. He made it. He's a composer now. He plays beautiful classical music and every music you can imagine, but he also composes. That is so awesome. I'm extremely proud that I got to teach this one, that I got to be one of the first persons that taught him how to love music and how to not being able to live without it. This is such an inspiration for me. Every time I see a video like this that parents send me, my heart melts. This is all it's about for me as a teacher, is to get you guys to love the music.